Okay, here we are with a brand new VEG chook system. This custom straw yard was attached to the pre-existing chook house here. As you can see, we've worked with a few different angles and a rather interesting slope down this little gully. So we have the chicken house up the end here with a nice little hello, no eggs, and of course their perches inside. And we have the straw yard here, which they can come and go from the house to the straw yard, completely fox proof. We have mesh buried in around the perimeter as well, so no foxes getting in there. And then a nifty little trick here, we have a little day hatch down here which allows the chickens to roam in their day run area here, get a bit of forage. Coming around to the doors, this is the VEG double door system. So what this allows you to do is come and open it up first stage here, throw all your scraps into the straw yard. Chickens are happy, they don't come running out, peck your feet. Then if you want to get really serious and intimate with your chickens in the straw yard, you just close the little dongle up and open the latch, in you go. We have a little fail safe here which I hope works, because here I am. There's the don't lock yourself in the chook house maneuver. And then of course, if you would like to go through into the day area, you have a second gate here. I think this is going to make for some very, very happy chickens.